Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you how to improve your speaking skill using a short story related to the use of will have to, and will be able to. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you should listen to me carefully and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. You should also try to memorize the story and retell it. In the end, I will ask you some questions about it. Now please listen and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. Frank Martin is very sick. The doctor is talking to him. You should take a rest for 2 weeks and stay in bed. You will have to take these pills, 1 pill for every 6 hours. Frank Martin has a big game. Frank Martin has a ticket for a big game tomorrow. He won't be able to use it. Well, do you still remember the story? Can you retell the story, please? Well, now listen and repeat after me and answer my questions. Question number 1. Is Frank Martin very sick? Question number 2. Is the doctor talking to him? What exactly is the doctor saying? Does Frank Martin have a ticket for a big game tomorrow? Will he be able to use it? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.